Hi everyone, this is Sewing from intuitivecoachingnow.com. So once again, it's Oracle reading time. So every week I basically pray and I pick a card deck and I'm going to draw 3 cards to forecast the energy and what's happening, what's the theme for the following week. And so I just pick it intuitively and I have in my heart that what is the message for my readers, what is the most important thing they need to know for this week. So this week I used Doreen Virtue's Magical Mermaid deck. And it's a beautiful deck and I love the drawings. So anyway, the first card I got is about a new dawn. So it talks about the worst experiences behind you now and a good positive experience on the horizon. So really this signifies the beginning of the week that you may feel there's certain things that is not moving. You may have to close certain projects or end certain relationships or really feel that you're stuck somewhere and you're looking for a new dawn, new opportunity or a way to leave the worst experience behind. And this is really what it really talks about for this week. The second card I got is Tranquility, which is really fitting. The advice for this week is really take time for yourself, practice self-care, enjoy yourself, and really schedule some me time. Because at a time like this, when you are maybe ending a relationship or leaving a job or closing a certain project, you really need some time for yourself to really reflect and rejuvenate and really recoup and also maybe heal yourself. So really important to set some time aside and give yourself the opportunity to indulge and have some pleasure time. So the third card I got is Time to Move On, which is extremely fitting. You know how this works so beautifully, perfectly together. It's talking about, yes, you may feel it is difficult to move on, but it's really important for you to let go of the old so the new energy, the new opportunity, a new person, new relationship can come into your life. So it really consistent with the message this week. If there is something you know in your life doesn't serve you, it's really time to move on. New opportunities coming up on the horizon. So you need some time for yourself, look after yourself so you will make the best decision for yourself. So this is a really good reading for anybody who find yourself in this kind of situation. So I hope you enjoyed this reading. And for some of you who may be coming to the Sutherland Shire Festival this coming Sunday, I will be speaking there. I'll be doing my intro workshop on how to find true love. So that'll be really exciting, and I also got 50% off discount ticket. So just check out the rest of the email, you will see discount code. And then the following Saturday, December the 6th, I'll be doing a workshop live, which is the longer version of the 7 Secrets How to Find True Love. It will be a live event, and then the next day I'll be releasing online. So a lot of things coming up. They're all on my website, and hope you enjoyed my workshop, my oracle reading, and I hope you will have a great week ahead. So bottom line is, it's time to move on, whatever it is. Believe it is blessing in disguise. So give yourself a break, have some fun time, relax, reflect, chill, and then put the worst behind you because the good new thing is coming up. So watch out for that. So speak to you next week and have a great week ahead. Bye.